All right, so here is the half double crochet dishcloth. Yes, I have to tuck in the ends. Yes, it is a different stitch than the single. This time I am just using the aluminum hook. That is a G or a 4.0. So I'm going to chain 33 again. $31, $32, $33. So now I am now going to do a half double in each chain down, chain one, and turn. So second one from the hook, wrap around, go through, grab the yarn, pull through one, grab the yarn, and pull through all three. With these different stitches I am showing you, you can mix them like every other row. Do half double crochet, and every other row do the single crochet. I will be showing you one that is a double crochet, single crochet as well. So this all falls into the dishcloth series. And I picked a different color than the green this time, because then that way when I go to put the videos all together, then I have a different color for like each one. So you should have 32 half double crochets along here when you're done. I have been talking, so I have not been counting. And remember, when you get to the end, it's chain one, turn. So I have about 6 more stitches, it looks like, to go. My dogs are trying to sneak back to the office, and I don't have the gate up this time. Go, lay down. I usually put a gate up so they don't come back and bug me when I'm filming. But I messed that up this time, huh? So chain one, turn, and then half double going across. This is out of the Ice Cream Cotton Blend from Lion Brand, and it is 47% cotton, 35% acrylic, I use the crochet dishcloths in my kitchen. But I want to see like how many dishcloths I could do up. I even have a dishcloth book that I would like to go through with you guys. So here I am reaching the end of row 2. So I'm going to take a break and I'm going to continue. Just don't forget 32 half doubles, chain 1 at the end, and then turn. So I will be back in a few minutes. Thank you. All right, so I have crocheted the half double all the way up. I'm going to finish this row with the half double. And then I'm going to do the slip stitch across the whole top. You can put borders on yours if you want. I usually do like a single crochet border. Okay, so I chained 1, turned, now I'm doing the slip stitch. You could mix and match stitches. So the next one I do, you'll have to check out that video for, because I think I'm going to do a half double and a single. And then go into the double stitch. To me, there's more holes or bigger holes in double stitches than there is the single crochet or the half double. The holes aren't very big in here. Now you could do like a corner to corner double or half double, and then it's not so bad. And don't ever throw out your scraps because you could always do like a scrap washcloth or make it bigger until you work up most of your yarn. So there is the slip stitch across there. Looks like I did a single right there. I did, haha. Had to frog it. Rip it out, rip it out. So the slip stitch, you're just going through, grabbing the yarn and pulling through both. The single, you're going through, pulling through one, and then grabbing and pulling through two. Can you see the difference there? So we're just doing the slip where you pull through both. Go through, grab the string, pull through. Go through, grab the string, pull through. and then chain at the end or slip stitch, whichever you prefer to call it. Leave a tail long enough to sew in the ends. And there is your half double crochet stitch dishcloth. So it is 6.5 by like 7. So there you have it. Thank you.